Today we bring this 1937 Chrysler Airflow Coupe in jet dark black back to life, one careful step at a time. This 1937 Chrysler Airflow Coupe wore jet dark black from the factory, and we will keep that soul intact. The heart of the problem is right there. The moisture has taken its toll on the original interior. Okay, ramps are down. Let's get it hooked up. Careful with the footing, it's slick. All right, here it is. Quite the find, but definitely a project. It's got good bones under all that dirt. Keep it steady. You're almost there.
Stop.
Stop. That's it. Looks good.
The oxidation and grime have reached the second layer, requiring careful documentation.
I'm noting the mountain residue here. It's particularly thick.
All right, stubborn one, huh? Just needed a little elbow grease. There we go. Got it.
Welcome to the restoration. The front wheel is off, and we're ready to dive into these brakes. All right, that's the last one. Just have to slide it off now. All right. The front end's off. Ready for the next stage. Time for these rear wheels to come off. Should be a little easier now that it's lifted higher. Yep. All right, got that one. Heavy thing. Chrysler is in for disassembly. We're carefully sorting the hubcaps, trim, and fasteners, taking care of every piece. All right, let's see what we're working with here. All right, these clamps are completely seized. Got it. Looks like the wiring is next. All right, stubborn one, keep it steady. There it goes, slowly. The front end is completely exposed now, just the grille and lights remaining. Look at the grime on that mounting rail. Yeah, that's what we need to tackle first. The housing screws are pretty tight. I don't think this has been off since '37. All right, wires are disconnected. Let's take a look at what's under here. You can see years of trapped dirt in these seams. It's going to be a lengthy process. All right, that's the last screw. Let's see what we've got in here. Yep, that's what I thought. Dusty and brittle. Just need to be careful with these old panels. All right, slowly now. Watch the door. That's it. Almost there. Okay, easy. All right, this seat is coming out slowly.
Right.
Watch the fixings down there. Yeah. Just lift and pivot it out. All right, come on. Just a little more. There we go. Easy now. All right, time to tackle the dashboard sorting on this 37 Airflow. It's a precise job, but we've got the trays ready. Yeah. Every bezel, knob, and switch accounted for. All right, now for the delicate part. Those old seals are pretty stubborn. Yeah. Looks like we'll need a bit more pressure there, carefully. Just need to be patient. We don't want to crack it. All right, time to unpin this hinge.
Got it.
Careful with the paint. See the grime in here? Heavy steel, not like the cars today. Welcome back. Today, we're giving this 1937 Airflow Coupe a much-needed first rinse. All right, time for the deep cleaning pass on this fender. Looking much better now. Okay, let's get the vacuum in there first. Nice, pulling that debris up. Looks good. Let's hit it with the water. I've got to make sure to get all the dirt out of these louvers before they go to paint. All right, let's get into these edges. It's stubborn, but the detail will be worth it. All right, let's get this seat frame stripped down. It's time to take off the excess padding. We're looking for every piece of loose fabric. All right, decades of dust on this 1937 Airflow. Carefully now, don't damage the original finish. All right, let's get into this trunk. That's deep, SK. Need to get every bit of this mud out. This latch hasn't been touched in 80 years. Watch the solvent cut through that grime. All right, let's hit this rear quarter. The foam really shows the lines of this old Chrysler. Yeah, getting all that grit off.
The key here is patience, working each grill bar with a small brush, lifting the black residue to expose the aged chrome.
All right, time to tackle the rear window. This old seal and rust will take a little work. This is the deep clean stage. We're washing down every part and the body shell of the 37 Chrysler Airflow Coupe. Lanceros. Welcome back to the final stages of the foam rinse on this 1937 Chrysler Airflow. The broad rinse is...
The controlled air finds every seam, every louver. Look at the defects appearing now that it's clean.
This 1937 Chrysler Airflow is cleaned, and now you can really see the truth. The rust, the dents, all the defects we'll address. All right, the deep clean is done. Now we tackle the rust and bodywork. Let's get started.
All right, mapping out the problem areas on the Chrysler. Lots of pitting here.
Yeah.
We'll need to repair these lower fenders and the wheel arches. Mark them up.
I've got to break through the finish here to find the rust. Take your time. Don't go too deep yet. The Chrysler is in a crucial stage of rust removal and bodywork. We're slowly revealing the bare metal underneath the original black paint. You got to be careful on these edges. They're pretty fragile after all these years. One pass at a time. The grille fits tight here. We're focusing on surface correction here, refining the louvers and skins. Take a look at this detailed panel work.
The filler is cured now. I'm block sanding it flat. You can see the powder drifting. Sections are straightening out.
All right. Getting down to the bare metal here. Almost got that edge prepped. All right, the airflow is ready for primer now. All the areas that don't need paint are taped off. It's looking good.
The flash-off process begins now. It takes time.
The guide coat helps reveal any imperfections before the final sanding. The airflow is ready. Time to restore her to her original luster.
The finish is holding perfectly. The reflections are flawless. Ready for the bake.
We're about to show you something truly special in the painting stage.
The restoration requires every panel to be painted individually, ensuring a flawless finish. This jet dark black is
All right, clear coat prep looks good. Let's make it shine.
You just have to trust the process. This final coat brings out the true beauty of that original jet black.
To the heart of the airflow. Every component here tells a story.
Yeah.
But the beauty isn't just on the outside.
Yeah.
It's in the honest work, hidden. This block, a 1937 Chrysler Airflow, requires meticulous attention. We're removing decades of carbon.
Precision is key to a job like this. Every component needs to be perfect.
Welcome back to SK Restoration. Today we're focusing on the heart of this 1937 Chrysler Airflow, the engine bay, now refinished to perfection. Tightening this one down for good measure. Looks perfect. Just need to seat this cover now. Nice and snug. The precision here is key. The brass must seat perfectly into the aluminum. Welcome back to the mechanical stage. We're focusing on the 1937 Chrysler Airflow's brakes. All right, just a little further. Got it? That's one down. Welcome to the mechanical restoration stage. Here, the wheels of this 1937 Chrysler Airflow Coupe are being restored to their original glory. Precision installation on new tires and restored wheels. Now, the Chrysler Airflow is ready to hit the road. All right, crack it open.
Got it.
Push down. Good, hold it there. All right, we're clear now. All right, everything looks tight. Let's hear it breathe. Good, that's a perfect idle. Everything feels right. And here we have it, the 1937 Chrysler Airflow. Mechanically whole, engine running, everything renewed. It just needs the final interior touches. The springs are back to their original specification. Good. Now let's test the new material. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the heart of the restoration, choosing the perfect upholstery for this 1937 Chrysler Airflow. All right, just like new. All right, lining up the trim, one click at a time, and there's that satisfying finish. Keep it tight in the corners, smooth it out now. Got it? All right, let's get this floor covering perfectly aligned. Take your time, careful with the edges. Now for the pedal surrounds, nice and... All right, driver's side is in. Looks perfect, Chief. Now for the passengers, just a little pressure, and it's done. All right, easy now. Perfect. Let's bring it in. Watch the rails. Looking good. All right, perfect. Just got to make sure this aligns. There we go. Firm press now. Solid. All right, everything aligned, gauges are perfect, final check on the steering, looks tight, another SK restoration complete. Every detail must be perfect. The seams, the dash corners, all restored to their former glory. This is SK restoration. The interior is completed. I think we nailed the original look. The hood and panels are back together. Look at those flawless gaps. Precise as ever. All right, perfect fit. The grille is home. And the eyes of the beast. Welcome back, old girl. All right, time for the finishing touches. Let's get these bumpers and trim installed, defining that pre-war silhouette. The alignment is perfect, the glass is seated correctly, and the finish is flawless. She's ready.
The rich black depth of the restored finish.
The rich black depth of the restored finish. If you want to see more quiet restorations like this 1937 Chrysler Airflow Coupe in jet dark black, stay with me for the next one. Leave a comment, share this journey, and let this 1937 Chrysler Airflow Coupe in jet dark black inspire the next restoration.